Hello, everybody. Welcome to BitBrothers Crypto, the channel where you find all the news updates on the cryptocurrency market. I'm Papa BitBrother, and you here today with me alone. My brother Casca yesterday covered the show. I was a bit busy yesterday, so he's busy today. So I'll be doing the show on my own. So taking the opportunity, guys, please subscribe to the channel, leave us your thumbs up, press the notification bell if you want to be updated with the news. I know. Crazy times. What's going on with Celsius, with the governments, with the spike on interest rates in America, what's going on with the war. So everything now is affecting the market. Of course, you can see the stocks, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, everything's falling like crazy. So this, of course, brings a massive strain on the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market, as it's still considered a very high risk investment for most people. Okay, but hopefully you are here trying to understand what's going on and know probably that this is the best time that can be in your life. Okay, this is the best time of your life if you're here now. So please subscribe to the channel to confirm that this is the best time of your life, and leave your thumbs up also to confirm even more that this is the even better time of your life. Especially, guys, if you're here for a long time, we are suffering. Yes, we are suffering. Believe me, seeing your portfolio going down 80-70% is not easy. Okay, but again, I'm keep cool. I'm here for the long run. I haven't been DCAing for the past maybe 5 months, although we keep telling people to DCA in as much they can, and we told everybody to expect this downfall. Okay, and probably now we reach a time where is one of the best opportunities to DCA. Okay, and again, it's always like this, isn't it? We think, oh man, I wish I had more money to invest, but again, we have to do what we have to do. If you have 10 now and you want to invest 10, and then that's what you have to do. Oh, still there's a lot of FUD. Yes, there's a lot of FUD. It can go any lower. It can go a lot lower, but we never know, guys. This is super unsure. So if you feel, oh no, I'm gonna wait to go lower, and then you don't go, and then it starts to go up, and then you think, oh, I'm gonna wait for the dip, and the dip doesn't come, and then you still waiting for a dip, and the dip won't come, and then you ended up buying much higher than you are now anyway. And again, guys, if you're for the long run, this is it. This is the time. Look at this. At below $1 trillion, guys, $943 billion, the market. It hasn't been like this for many years now. Yeah, not many years, but a couple of years now that we haven't felt that. We can see even the Bitcoin dominance went low, 45%. Yeah, it was, I think, 46.9% last week. So crazy times. Capitulation. So we're going to talk a little bit about that today. I'm going to bring a very interesting video that I would say for you guys, please watch this video, okay, to make sure and to reassure where we are and what's happening as well with the market. Okay? Please stay with us until the end. So you have this new, I have some news on Ethereum as well that was insane, and I want to know if any of you guys managed to get some of that I'm going to talk about in a bit. So Bitcoin at 22,228, Ethereum $1,200. That's next level insane. Tether, lost pegs a little bit. USDC holding strong at $1. Look at that, guys. USDC is at $54 billion. It's used to have, like, I think it used to be like 1/10 of Tether. Now it's like 20 billion away, which a lot of money still, yes, but guys, come on, this is like so close. If you see like where USDC was comparing to USDT, that means there's a lot of money ready to be deployed in the market for sure, and then can really pump the market well. BNB, I look at 224. Yeah, guys, today's a hard day to look at the market, but Cardano 9% on the day. Wow, that's really good. Polkadot 7, Tron 5 cents. There was a big problem with the Tron stable coin the other day, so a lot of people are warning Tron investors to be careful. Okay, I'm not a Tron investor. I don't know anything about Tron, because every single time I look at people talking about Tron, there's something going on with Tron, which is like, it's like a small, it's like a, even though when everything pumps in Tron, there's a small like negative thing of it that never really brought me interest in Tron. And now seeing, this USDD, it's called depegging, and it's not very good for Tron anyway, so I'm not really into it. If you are, be careful. I heard there's a lot of bad things happening. So Polygon at 42, amazing opportunity. Look at these guys. CRO at 11 cents. It hasn't been that low for such a long time. 30% in a week. That's crazy. I heard that a lot of the exchanges are suffering. Yeah, the tokens from exchange are really suffering. They're gonna suffer more. So, you can see here that everything's bled. Look at Theta, guys, at 15% on the week. Helium at 21. Wow, that's crazy. You see, there is opportunity still going on. Elron got at 10%. Bitcoin SV at 13% on the day. So if you're here for the, and you want to just do like a kind of short trade, look at Phantom. Oh man, 15%, 30% on the weekly, 23 cents. That's so much opportunity right now, guys. It's crazy. Remember, I entered first time I bought Phantom. It's at 93 cents. First time I bought Phantom. It's so sad to see this now, guys. And I DCA in Phantom at more than $1 many, many times, thinking that was the bottom. Okay, so you can see, how low my Phantom position is. But of course, I'm still trust that Phantom can do amazingly well in the next bull run, and I'm gonna stick to it. I haven't sold anything. I'm staking Phantom on based finance still. Okay, I know it's risky, like I said. Do your own research, but that's what I'm doing now. I'm staking as much coin as I can in this. I'm staking Phantom on this Excalibur and on base finance. There's a video on our channel about base finance, so go and check it out. I still think it's quite strong. There's a few like millions there invested on the platform. That's total value locked on the platform. So I think it's quite stable comparing to what everything was happening in the market, because in our project there's a few $1 million. You can kind of consider stable. Again, it's not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Okay. So yeah, but if you are still invested in the market, if you're still in it, you haven't got any. The best thing now, guys, is accumulate coins, guys, for the next run. Look at this, $8.358. That's insane. So anyway, still expect some more volatility and expect to go down. We're gonna check here. What I really love what cryptocurrencies did today. Okay, and he keeps saying this. June 13th, he said, many people stop crypto today. With crypto, winners never quit, quitters never win. Okay, this month really feels like March 2020, weekly MACD divergency. And the lower Bitcoin goes, the more bullish we should become, guys. And I think I'm bringing everything that he wrote today, his tweet, because I think it's really important for you to remind yourself that the lower Bitcoin goes, the more bullish we should become. Bitcoin has never been more oversold on a weekly time frame than right now. We don't know how long this opportunity will stay, but benefited from it. So this is it, guys. Again, the lowest it's ever been. Wow. Look at this on the weekly. We are 27 on the RSI. It's like, look at this, guys. It never reached it. Like, I think this is probably like just touch it, guys, and we're kind of going below that. It's insane. It's insane where we are right now. So again, I DCA Bitcoin every single day. In these markets we are right now, it's extremely important. Prepare yourself for the next cycle. If you want to feel good at the next all-time high, you need to load up in fear. Buy Bitcoin, buy Bit, and claim 4,500. It, of course, is doing his own thing. But I want to bring for you guys is this video here. I'm gonna put
playing out in the charts right now, and it is.
I'm going to start from the beginning, so check it out.
Who is right now watching, please give me a minute to explain this, because there is something historical playing out in the charts right now, and it is Bitcoin and its realized loss. If you don't know, if you never looked at it, this is one of the most important charts to actually look at, because this chart is telling us how many people, how many Bitcoins are actually getting sold against the loss. And of course, we do know there's always on one side, there are the losers, and on the other side, there are the winners. And of course, not everyone can win. There has to be a balance. Some people have to lose money in order for other people to win money. And right now, what we can see is that, of course, every single time, of course, in bear markets, we see the realized loss spiking as well. In this capitulation event here in March 2020, we saw the realized loss spiking because people were extremely afraid. We saw it happening here in May 2021. Once, of course, Elon Musk was saying he was testing the liquidity, etc., and China banning Bitcoin. And once again, we're having it right now. And this has been, in fact, the largest realized loss Bitcoin has ever experienced in its lifetime. What does it mean? We've been seeing approximately 4.7 billion US dollars getting sold against a loss at the cryptocurrency, at the Bitcoin network. This means that many people are selling off their tokens against a loss because they're too afraid to be holding right now. Is this a good thing? I personally think yes, because every single time people sell against a loss, that is usually tend to be either a bottoming signal, not necessarily the exact bottom like you can see over here, right here. In these cases, it was the exact bottom. But of course, I'm not saying the exact bottom is right now in here, but it is a good development for the longer horizon. Also, guys, look at this chart that I'm currently going to show you. This is, of course, the NUPL, the net unrealized loss and profit. And this chart is also currently indicating that we are in the middle of a capitulation event here. As you can see here, we have been here in a capitulation event here. We've been in it over here, and we're entered it once again. And every single time we enter these stages, we go exponential towards the downside, exponential towards the downside. And do I once again say, is the bottom right now exactly in here? We don't know. But the risk is still most certainly very low. Also looking at these very, very crazy charts here, and also seeing that Bitcoin is...
So guys, this is it. Like, you see on the video, he's saying the charts are crazy. We're reaching the bottom. We're reaching the 200 moving day average. The price of the real price of Bitcoin, it's below the real price of Bitcoin. The I kind of forgot the way they say. It's like basically they have a price that Bitcoin supposed to be now, and we are below that. Okay, which is like it's like confirmed through technical analysis. Yes, not someone said, oh, that the Bitcoin price should be this price, but and then we are below that. Okay, fear grade today at 8. That's insane. Okay, at 8, it never been that low. And this is the one hits the 200-week moving average. The opportunity won't get much bigger here, guys. That's the thing. We only reached this last time. Like this was like the pandemic crash, and we are a bit below. You can see here the weeks going below, and then we have this again, and we had this in 2019, 18, 19 here. Okay, so yeah, crazy times. Fear everywhere. Look at that, it's extreme fear. But as we always says, do your own research and make sure you take this opportunity for DCA, guys. Ethereum price, but look at these guys. Ethereum price flash crashes to $950 on Uniswap as whale dumps 93,000 Ethereum. It's not $93,000, guys. 93,000 Ethereum. That's insane. It's like millions and millions of dollars there the guy just threw. So let me know if you've seen that. Of course, that's why I say we probably missed this opportunity. That's why I keep saying to you guys, be aware every day, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, because when these things happen and we see it, we bring it to you straight away. Like, again, I missed that, unfortunately, because, you can see it's on Uniswap only that this happened. But I am very, very sure. Look at this, guys. If you had bought one ETH for 950, today you would have, $250, of profit just by managing to snap one out when this flash happens. Okay, that's crazy. That's a very good profit right there. 1,000, like $250, $300 easy, made there. So, and then you can see he explains that over 130 million ETH sold in 6 hours. Wow, that's crazy. $130 million of ETH. Okay. The incident happened at around 3 a.m. UTC. Like, of course, that's why we don't really catch this stuff. Depends where you are. You could be, a morning for you, but for me, 3 a.m. I think was maybe like 1 a.m. for me. After whale dumped 65,000 ETH for multiple stable coins, including USD, Tether, and DAI. Wow, guys, see, the whales are piling up money because they will want to get the dip. And you see how much realized loss people made on Bitcoin. It's crazy. It's crazy. $4.7 billion of people losing money. And I hope that's not one of your satoshis, guys. Yeah, please use that and keep that and make that be very valuable for you, because this in the future is going to change your life. Okay, this is something that can change your life, but you have to be strong. Do not overinvest. Do not invest money that you're going to need. Please be aware of that. Make like this as your saving account that you're not going to touch, for at least your kids to be. If you don't have kids, at least until you have kids, let's say like this, put a target. If you're not planning to have kids, at least of a certain age you reach. Yeah, so you can have like a goal, and in the future, guys, you can have an easy life. That's what we all want, right? And I want all of this for everybody. A piece of evidence note that the whale sold its ETH holding to pay off nearly 73 million worth of a debt at Oasis.app, a DeFi lending platform. The duration of the sell-off saw ETH liquidation price dropping from 1,200 to 875. Wow, 875, man. But anyway, it's unfortunate that someone has to sell all of that to pay a debt. It's also, and then when you think that someone sold 73 million worth of to pay a debt, is also really a bit sad. But look at this. No liquidation, someone selling collateral to pay off debt. Okay, the beauty of the cryptocurrency market, guys, is this, that we can find, and the people are very much like aware of this, and people know how to find this stuff. Like, look at this. You can see this Oasis app. I don't even know which one is this Oasis app. I think it's like a DeFi lending protocol, but we should know what they lend. The Oasis.app. Let's actually check that. It's nice that we can see, because we learn together as well, and see what this is about. Okay, Oasis.app. Let's see what they do. Multiply, borrow assets, ETH. Deploy your crypto into DeFi, earn a yield, multiply your exposure, or borrow against your crypto. So, guys, you see, there's so much going on with this now of borrow. So you have to be careful. Multiply highest ETH, multiple options with 109 ETH, get up to 550 ETH exposure, max multiple 4.3. So yeah, guys, of course, like with 129 ETH, that's a bit of money right there. 66 wrap Bitcoin, get up 25 wrap Bitcoin. Yeah. So yeah, basically I think you can invest up to 129 ETH, right? Not that you need to invest. Maybe with 1 ETH you can do that. Variable annual fee 4%, so it's not that high anyway. So, but let's see how it works. Multiply. Yeah. Anyway, guys, it's a lending protocol. So if you want to have a look at this, just come and do. So, guys, pretty much that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the program. Casquinha Crypto just entered there and left us a message. Divulge, I will host you when I can. Yes, sure. Let's do that. I think you're talking about the post chain projects that we are in, and we are kind of Cask especially is promoting a lot of the post chain network projects on his own channel, which is Casquinha Crypto. You guys can check it out as well. Casca has devoted a new channel just for the post chain network, and he always brings the sacrifices there and everything that's happening with the post chain on his channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel as well, so you are up to date with the programs that you can sacrifice. Okay. Of course, we will be posting on the channel here on our lives what's going on. Richard Hart just tweeted that he can't do anything else technically about the release of post chain, but he's gonna start to do some marketing, and ask the community to also help him marketing the release of posts. Which we are very, very much enthusiastic about it. Okay. Thank you everybody for being here with us today. I hope you enjoy the show. Again, guys, you can see here 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Thank you so much for being here. And you guys are the ones who's gonna thrive and who's gonna be very, very happy in a couple of years' time. Again, patience, my friends. Invest well, research, and be on. Okay, subscribe to the channel, and that's it for me for today. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Me and Casco will be together tomorrow for sure. See you soon.